Alright guys, so welcome back to this channel. Now this is the new update we have right here. A lot of us have seen it and some others have actually started throwing out their withdrawal proof. So I decided to bring this to us so we can actually test this together. Now what we are going to do is the process of getting started and what we should expect and to know if it's actually worth our time or not. Now, when you come right here, you can see the name of this platform. However, before I proceed with it, let me quickly lay a clear disclaimer that this video is for educational and review purposes, that this is not a get rich quick scheme, that results may vary depending on how individuals involve themselves on this platform. Now, what you want to do right now is to first of all go ahead to click the first link on the pinned comment section. Now, when you click that link, you are going to be brought right here. So you can see where it's made a description of how you can get the income right on this platform. So right here, when you go ahead to continue with the KYC, you can see that you both will be getting 500. Now, the logic right here is that you are going to be doing your KYC to get this 500 that they claim they are going to pay their users. Now, when you come right here, you are going to put in your email address. So you come right here and click on submit, right? Now, the moment you click on submit, you'll be allowed to go ahead to download this app, or you can come right here and click on sign in. So we are going to come right here and we are going to click on the sign in button. And once you're here, the next thing you want to do right now is to come down right here. Don't have an account, you have to register, right? So we are going to come right here. We are going to insert our email address. We are going to select the bank. So we are going to come right here and select a bank right here. So let's go ahead to select a bank. So I'm going to select the bank right here. And I'm going to put the details of the bank. So you can see automatically it brought out the name. So I'm going to click on create, right? So it's actually creating the account. So you can see we have successfully created the account. So we are expecting OTP to proceed with this. So right now I've gotten the OTP. So right here, this is the OTP. I'm going to get this OTP and I'm going to proceed with this. So I'm going to come right here. I'm going to paste this. So you can see the registration process. So right here, you can see that I've actually done this. So the next thing I want to do is to do my KYC. So I'm going to come right here and I'm going to select the ID I want to use. So I'm going to put this right here and I'm going to put my details right here and I'm going to enter my phone number and I'm going to continue. Or alternatively, you can go ahead to skip this. Then later you will do your KYC. But without the KYC, you can actually get the 500 per referral that is entitled and they claimed to give their users. So you just have to go ahead to do your KYC. So you can come back anytime to do your KYC. When you come down right here, you're going to see verify KYC. Come down right here and read more about this platform so you can get more understanding on what to expect right on this platform. Now, when you come over to the hamburger icon right here, you're going to see the history and everything. They are still going to be reminding you to do your KYC on their platform, because once you do your KYC, the person that you have referred also does their KYC. Both of you will be getting 500 each on your account. Now then you can now go ahead to place your withdrawal. Now when you come right here, you can see we have different assets right here, different wallets. So you can use any of these that suits you, but make sure your KYC is done. So I just have to show you this. So later on, I'm going to go ahead with the KYC, and once you're done with your KYC, you will be automatically given the reward that's attached to the referral based system of this platform. So that is how the platform works. You can find the link on the pinned comment section. Set up your account with this process and get set to earn while using this platform. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you understood and got much value from this video. And if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. You can as well join our social media platforms, our Telegram channel, and our WhatsApp group where we run giveaways and also show you some specific ways you can use to boost your online earnings in today's world. So see you on my next video and keep winning.